Student, today we are going to solve some special questions related to quadratic polynomial. And the first question: find the least positive value of k for which the given quadratic equation x square plus kx plus 4 equal to 0 has real roots. So first of all, start the given quadratic equation. You have to start from the given quadratic equation. Here the given quadratic equation is x square plus kx plus 4 equal to 0. Now the coefficient of x square is 1, so here a is equal to 1. The coefficient of x is k, so b equal to k, and the constant term 4, so c is equal to 4. Now we know that for real roots the condition is d greater than or equal to 0, where d is said to be discriminant of the given quadratic polynomial. So for real roots we have d greater than or equal to 0, or b square minus 4ac greater than or equal to 0, where d is called discriminant of the given quadratic equation. Now putting the value of a, b, c, we have d k square minus 4 into 1 into 4 equal greater than or equal to 0, or k square minus 16 greater than or equal to 0. This implies k square minus 4 square greater than or equal to 0. As you know that it is the form of a square minus b square, so we have in one bracket k minus 4 into k plus 4 greater than 0. Now apply the property. You know that if x square minus a square greater than or equal to 0, then we have to write x minus a, x plus a greater than or equal to 0. Then this implies that x less than or equal to minus a, or x greater than or equal to a. So apply this property. We have k less than or equal to minus 4, or k greater than or equal to 4. Now but our solution is not here, because we have to find the least positive value of k. So here we see that the value of k is less than minus 4 or equal to 4, so it is not our solution, because our solution is the value of k must be positive and least. So here we see that the value of k is 4 and more than 4. Now here the least value of k is only 4, so our solution is k is equal to 4. जैसा कि आप देख रहे हो क्वेश्चन में कहा कि यू हैव टू फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ लीस्ट वैल्यू ऑफ पॉजिटिव, लीस्ट पॉजिटिव वैल्यू ऑफ के. एक्चुअली नेगेटिव वैल्यू तो होगा नहीं के का, इट मीन दैट हमको पॉजिटिव वैल्यू रखना वो भी सबसे कम. यहाँ जो सबसे मिनिमम वैल्यू है के की, वही जो पॉजिटिव है वो 4 है. सो आवर सॉल्यूशन इज के इक्वल टू 4. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2: if the roots of the quadratic equation b minus c into x square plus c minus a into x plus a minus b equal to 0 are equal, then prove that b is equal to a plus c. तो यहाँ ऐसे करते हैं solution. The given quadratic equation, first of all you have to write the given quadratic equation. The given quadratic equation is b minus c into x square plus c minus a into x and plus a minus b is equal to 0. Since the roots are equal, as we know that the roots of the quadratic equation is, suppose that alpha and beta, and both roots are equal, it means alpha is equal to beta. If we put x equal to 1, then we have b minus c into 1 का स्क्वायर प्लस c minus a into 1 plus a minus b. Actually you have to put x equal to 1 in the left hand side of the given quadratic equation. So we have b minus c plus c minus a and plus a minus b. Now open the bracket. We have b minus c plus c minus a plus a minus b. So it becomes 0. Because plus b minus b cancel out, minus c plus c cancel out, minus a plus a cancel out. So we can say that x equal to 1 is one of roots of the quadratic इक्वेशन। जैसा कि आप देख रहे हो इस क्वाड्रेटिक पॉलिनोमियल इक्वेशंस में जो ही हम x की वैल्यू पुट करते हैं तो क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन की वैल्यू 0 हो जाती है। इट मीन्स दैट कि x = 1 इज द आवर जीरोज आर रूट्स ऑफ द गिवन क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन। अब जैसा कि क्वेश्चन में कहा है कि बोथ रूट्स आर इक्वल, तो सो इफ वी कंसीडर अल्फा एंड बीटा आर द zeros are roots, both are same roots of equation first. Let us suppose that this is equation number first. So we have alpha is equal to beta is equal to 1 because our first zeros is 1 and both zeros are equal, so alpha is equal to beta is equal to 1. Now we know that sum of zeros is equal to minus coefficient of x upon constant term. जैसा कि आपको पता है the sum of zeros of the quadratic polynomial is minus coefficient of x upon constant term. So put the value alpha and beta. We have 1 plus 1 is equal to minus coefficient of x is here c minus a upon and the constant term is a minus b. After solving we have 1 plus 1 2, by cross multiply it gives 2 into a minus b is equal to minus of c minus a. Now open the bracket, we have 2a minus 2b is equal to minus c plus a. जैसा कि you have to prove 2b is equal to a plus c, so here 2b is equal to minus c plus a plus 2b. Minus 2b transferred, it becomes minus c plus a plus 2b is equal to it is a 2a. 2a minus 2b is equal to minus c plus a. Here we see that एक्चुअली आप इसको ऐसे ट्रांसफर करते हैं, सबके इधर लाते हैं। 2a minus 2b plus c minus a equal to 0. Here 2a minus a gives a minus 2b plus c equal to 0 और 2b is equal to a plus c. आप क्या कर सकते हो, यू कैन डू इट, माइनस 2b ट्रांसफर करिए, सो इट बिकम्स a 2b इक्वल टू a प्लस c. यहाँ इस तरह से आप देख रहे हो कि 2b इक्वल टू a प्लस b, देन वी कैन से द हेंस प्रूव्ड. नाउ यू हैव टू प्रूव 2b इक्वल टू a प्लस c. थैंक यू. Next question, determine the positive values of k for which the equation x square plus ax plus 64 is equal to 0 and x square minus 8x plus k equal to 0 will both have real roots. अब इस क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करने के लिए पहले क्या करते हैं, यहाँ से k की वैल्यू फाइंड करते हैं फॉर रियल रूट्स के लिए और यहाँ से भी k की वैल्यू फाइंड करते हैं फॉर रियल रूट्स के लिए. अब उस दौरान जब वैल्यू निकल जाती है तो इन दोनों के लिए जो कॉमन होगा k का मान, k की वैल्यू जो कॉमन होगी वही हमारा सॉल्यूशन होगा इस क्वेश्चन के लिए. इट मीन्स दैट फ्रॉम द फर्स्ट इक्वेशन वी फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ k फॉर रियल रूट्स and from second equation you have to find the value of k from real roots, and then our required solution is the value of k which is common in both. Now let us see how to solve. First let d1 and d2 are the discriminant discriminants of equation x square plus kx plus 64 equal to 0 and x square minus 8x plus k equal to 0 respectively. Now d1 is equal to, as you know that d1 is equal to b square minus 4ac, so here b which is k का होल स्क्वायर minus 4 into 1 into 64 और d1 is equal to k square minus 4 into 64. You may write in this form, no problem. For real roots we have d1 greater than or equal to 0. This implies that k square minus 4 into 64 greater than or equal to 0, or you may write k का होल स्क्वायर minus 16 का होल स्क्वायर ग्रेटर देन इक्वल टू 0. 4 it may be written as 2 का square, 64 it may be written 8 का square, so 2 into 8 gives 16 of 4 square. Now it is the form of a square minus b square, so we have k minus 16 into k plus 16 greater than or equal to 0, and from here we obtain the result which is written as k less than or equal to minus 16 or k greater than or equal to 16. So from the first equation we find the value of k. Now d2 equal to b square minus 4ac again, so minus 8 whole square minus 4 into 1 into k, it gives d2 equal to 64 minus 4k. Since for real roots we have, as you know that the condition is d2 greater than or equal to 0, implies that 64 minus 4k greater than or equal to 0. On taking minus 4 common, we have k minus 8, 4 1 is 4 and 4 6 is 24 greater or equal to 0, and dividing by minus 4 in each term we have k minus 16 less than or equal to 0. As you know that जब भी हम नेगेटिव नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई डिवाइड करते हैं तो इक्वलिटी का साइन बदल जाता है, यहाँ ग्रेटर देन इक्वल टू, सो इट बिकम्स लेसर देन और इक्वल टू. सो हियर वी हैव k less or equal to 16. Now our required solution is, यहाँ पे k का मान 16 मोर लेस देन 16 है, यहाँ k का मान ग्रेटर देन 16 और इक्वल टू 16 है. एक्चुअली वी हैव टू फाइंड द पॉजिटिव वैल्यू. तो यहाँ ये समझिए, दिस इज द कंडीशन नंबर फर्स्ट, दिस इज द कंडीशन नंबर सेकेंड. इन दोनों में कॉमन वैल्यू क्या है, तो आप देखो कॉमन वैल्यू निगेटिव तो होगा नहीं कोई कॉमन, पॉजिटिव कॉमन लेते हैं. तो k का मान 16 है और मोर देन 16 है, यहाँ k का मान 16 है लेस देन 16 है, इन दोनों में सिर्फ कॉमन है 16. सो वी कैन से दैट फ्रॉम फर्स्ट एंड सेकेंड the value of k is 16. So our required solution is k is equal to 16. This is our